Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
Files have been uploaded to a Snowflake internal stage. The files will now need to be deleted. Which SQL command should be used to delete the files? I'll give you a few seconds to decide on an answer. If you need more time, please use the pause button. And the right answer to this question is remove. Now let's jump into a demo to verify if this is accurate. Now, there are three types of internal stages. There is a user stage, a table stage, and a named internal stage. For the purposes of this demo, I'll be using a named internal stage called internal underscore stage. The process of using the remove command to remove files from these internal stages remain the same irrespective of the type of internal stage. Okay, so I'll start off by using the database and I'm going to create a named internal stage. I'm going to list the files in this internal stage. As you can see, there are no files in this internal stage now because I just created the stage. I need to get files into this internal stage. There are really two ways for me to do this. I could use a put command and put a file, or I could use a copy into command and copy data into the stage. In this demo, I will use the copy into command. Now that we have successfully run the command, let's go ahead and list. As you can see, we see one file in the internal stage called internal underscore stage. If you go back to the question, we selected remove. What that means is that we need to be able to use the remove command to remove this file from the internal stage. Now, the remove command does not work inside of SnowSite, and for that reason, we need to use the SnowCLI to be able to do that. So I have already logged into SnowCLI, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the list command to list the files. I just used the list command to list the file. As you can see, the results are exactly same as the list in SnowSite. The next step is to remove the file, and which can be done with the remove command. The result shows as removed, which means we were able to remove the file. If I go back here into SnowSite and run the list command again, you see there are no files in the internal stage, which means that the remove command is the right command to delete files from the Snowflake internal stage. The remove command, as I just explained, works even for user as well as table stages, which are both a type of Snowflake internal stage.